Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. Question 25 of the 50. Top ALJ trick questions. I'm getting a little tired now because we've reached the halfway mark. Let's go ahead and begin. So you don't know how to use technology and you don't own a computer, Miss Smith, right? That's the question that the ALJ is going to pose. So you said to me, you don't own a computer, right? No, I don't own a computer. Okay, you don't really know how to use a computer. No, I don't know. You know how to use technology? No. On button, beep, and that's it. That's all I know how to do. And after that, blah, 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 blah. So, Miss Smith, do you have a Facebook account? Oh, tricky. Do you have a Twitter account? You've been tweeting behind my back? Mm-hmm. Do you have a... I'm so old now, this is so sad. The yellow ghost thingy account. Whatever the hell that program is. Do you have a Skype account? Do you have a... I don't know. I don't know how you people all talk to each other. If you knew me on a personal level, you would know I hate texting. If you knew me on a personal level, you would know that I won't talk on the phone with you unless I have a headset on because I hate having to have my hand up to my ear or have everybody hear what I'm saying. You would know that's the type of person I am. I hate having to communicate with people for just chit-chat, you know? I just hate having to do it. And with that said, that's kind of where we're going with this question, which is that, okay, LinkedIn, Twitter, smartphone, tablet, PC, did your kids set it up? How do they set up your Facebook account? There's all these things where they can get you with that question. Oh, I don't know how to use a computer. Then why do you have a Facebook account? I don't have a Facebook account. Then what's your picture doing on Facebook? Oh, my kid set that up. Well, you were last active 3 hours ago. Right? Not bueno. It's kind of a mal bueno. No bueno. All right. So, with that said, and the doggies are falling asleep, that's good. We're going to be going on to question 26 pretty soon. We're officially getting over the hump of being halfway to the 50 mark. Okay, any questions, up-to-date information, give me a call, shoot me an email, that's fine. Also, on the 9th at 8 p.m. in April of 2020, going forward, every Thursday night at 8 p.m., guess what? You can call me at the 407-279-1754 number. It's first come, first serve. So whoever calls in first and I grab it, then at that point, that's fine, that's dandy, whatever. I'll then take your call. We'll go ahead and begin the process of grilling you. When I grill you, I'm not going to do it with my claimant like how I do it with my claimants, which is slowly, with speed, and then with speed and trick questions. We're not doing it that way. I'm just going to beat the hell out of you. And then you're going to have to figure out from that what you learned from that. And you will. Like, as I start beating you up, you're going to be like, that's what he meant when the bullet hit me in the eyeball and came out the other eyeball. And now I see. That's what will happen, I assume. Or you just go away being like, he's really mean. Anyway, my name is Attorney Walter Hnot. I hope all is well. I'll catch up with you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.